You won't be disappointed when your child is here. You can rest assured that they're safe, happy, and they're learning.
My name is Amanda Clay. I am the assistant principal at Grace River Academy.
My name is John McLeod, and I'm principal at Grace River Academy. In 2020, the Lord sort of just birthed in me this desire to educate.
I was originally from public education, and we really felt the heart with the space that we had to start a school. Our mission at Grace River Academy is to restore academic excellence. The goal is for kids to leave knowing their God, knowing His Word, and knowing His purposes for their life. So usually when the students arrive, they all convene together. They'll have daily devotion and Bible study together, and then they'll split off into their separate grade levels. They go through their math, phonics, history, science, whatever their lesson is for the day. Our goal is for your student to have a strong biblical foundation, and we want everything that they do to be rooted in Christ. But we also want to give them the educational foundations to proceed through the rest of their years. We value small class sizes so kids can get individualized instruction.
The teacher-student ratio, I would even say is 1 to 4, 1 to 5 in some settings.
I personally like the intimacy of the small class sizes, and I know that my son appreciates it as well because he has a sense of family here. He's very social and he's able to be himself here.
His teacher is just amazing, so that's been a real blessing to us.
My son is able to get a very personal, hands-on approach in his learning that I know he would not receive in another private school setting or public school.
Our expectations have been met and exceeded.
Most importantly is our curriculum. The students would leave our schools going to first grade in public schools already reading on a third or fourth grade level.
It really was a no-brainer for us to just say, this is a great place to put our child.
You won't be disappointed. You will be overjoyed.
So I just encourage families to consider Grace River Academy.
We would love to have your student here at Grace River Academy so that they can know God, know His Word, and know His purposes for their life, but also be given individualized instruction in a smaller environment so that they can really grow and learn with their peers effectively.